laws. My name is Navtaz Chandok, founder of Free Canada and flippingforprofit.ca. We have been empowering Canadian real estate investors since 1993 through high income skills, networking, apprenticeships, and coaching in the trenches in real life. In a disclaimer, World Wealth Builders, Flipping for Profit, and its affiliate do not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. The material has been prepared for information purposes only and is not intended to provide and shall not be relied on for taxes, legal, or accounting. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any kind of real estate transaction. So the Canada is introducing a new law called Property by Non-Canadian Act. This will allow non-Canadian buyers not to buy any property in Canada for the period of 2 years, starting January 1st, 2023. There are going to be some key points to it. It is going to be starting January 1st, 2023. This prohibition will stop, this ban will be there for 2 years. Existing agreements where liabilities arose of or was assumed before January 1st, 2023 will not be impacted. The ban will not apply to Canadian citizens, permanent residents of Canada, or companies incorporated in Canada that are not controlled by non-Canadians. The validity of sales will not be impacted. People who have knowingly assisted in contravention of this act may be subject to penalties. So there are some exceptions to this ban. This ban will not apply to Canadian citizens and the permanent residents. International students who meet a certain requirement, including spending for the last 5 years in Canada, they'll be able to purchase a property for no more than $500,000. Workers who have been worked and filed tax return in Canada for at least 3 years out of 4 are allowed to buy this property. Diplomats, consular staff, and members of international organizations living in Canada are allowed to buy properties. Foreign nationals with temporary resident status, including people fleeing the conflicts and refugees, are also not banned. Buildings containing more than 3 units and recreational properties, such as cottages, cabins, and other vacation property will also be exempted. Non-resident entities, such as corporations, foreign-controlled Canadian entities will be banned to buy property under this act. There is going to be introduction to underused housing tax or vacant home tax, which will be approximately 1% of assessment value, is simply implemented to make sure to free up the homes for Canadians to live in, making more housing affordable for Canadians, and also to ensure that foreign, non-resident owners of Canadian housing pay their fair share of Canadian taxes. There will be also introduction of new Canadian anti-flipping tax. Those who are familiar with Professional Real Estate Network Group of Canada, who has been bringing in education and awareness since 1993, will be educating you from time to time. We conduct monthly networking mastermind meetings. You're welcome to become a member by just going to freecanada.com. So what exactly is anti-flipping taxes in 2023? There are some exceptions. Number one exception is your principal residence. If you have lived in your house for more than 12 months, it is totally exempted. There will be no capital gain. It's all tax-free, and you have to claim it in your income tax return as a principal residence. If you buy and sell a property within less than 12 months of purchase, that will be considered a flip. Any profit realized will be taxed as a business income. Flipping houses and assignment sales starting January 1st, 2023. Any property owned for less than 12 months is subject to all the profits as the business income. There will be some exceptions. What are these exceptions? In case there's a death, divorce, safety issues, illness, or disability, relocation due to education, relocation due to employment or job, bankruptcy, and few others. In order to prevent loopholes created by assignment sale, this 12-month period completely resets when the ownership is secured. There will be a new program, new tax-free first home savings account. How much can you contribute? You're allowed to contribute up to $40,000 over your lifetime and up to $8,000 in any 1 year, including in 2023, which I believe the rule will start affecting April 1st, 2023. Who's eligible? You must be a Canadian resident of Canada. You must be 18 years of age, must be a home buyer, means first-time home buyer. You or your spouse or common law partner did not own a qualifying home that you lived in as principal place of residence at any time in the year of account is open or preceding 4 calendar years. So what exactly that mean? It is just like RSP, contribution will be tax deductible and withdrawal to purchase a first-time home, including investment income. It will be non-taxable, like tax-free savings account, tax-free in, tax-free out. And this will be opening, as I said, April 1st, 2023. There is going to be some new tax credits. This is for multi-generation home renovation. This is to assist all those existing houses to add up a second suite for the family member who's a senior or adult with a disability, and you can get a tax credit or renovation credit of $7,500. For the first-time home buyers tax credit, now it is going to be now $1,500 to support the first-time home buyers in Canada. There will be new protections for Ontario condo buyers. This is to protect their deposit in case the purchase and sale agreement or condo is being canceled. Their deposit will be, they will be entitled to get interest rate calculated based upon the Bank of Canada rate. And this rule will apply to condo projects that start selling on or before January 1st, 2023. There will be also new law in BC. This is to 3-day consumer protection period for real estate purchase to make sure the home buyer get opportunity to secure a mortgage financing and arrange a home inspection. You are requested to share this video, subscribe it, like it, and please add comments. We will sincerely thank you. Final note, you're very welcome to attend masterclass for beginner or for Canadian real estate investors who want to learn how to invest in Canadian real estate. Please go to www.flippingforprofit.ca. We look forward to seeing you online. Thank you.